In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a free online tool to assess the comprehensiveness of the web copy on your pages. This is important because if your page has insufficient unique copy, Google can deem these pages to be what it calls thin content, and thin content means that Google will not index it and it'll have trouble ranking for any keyword searches. So if you have a main service page or you've got product or category pages on an e-commerce website, you want to make sure that those pages have a good chance to rank. You want to make sure they have sufficient unique web copy on them. And having comprehensive copy is one of those key technical elements you need to get right. So in this case here, we're going to use a tool from a website called Contentor. So the URL is words.contentor.com. In this case, I'm going to use my own website as an example. Now, just be aware, you see how it is asking you to insert the URL here, excluding the HTTPW and anything else on the end. So just make sure you do that. If you don't get rid of this stuff, you're going to get an error. So I've put in my domain name, click scan. Now the tool is going to go away and crawl the pages on my website and come back with a listing of the pages that it has seen and an assessment of the number of words on each page and the number of unique words. And you can see here I've got a good listing of all of my pages, and you can see just by looking at them, I've got sort of training page here, my services pages, terms, information about products and services, and even blog posts. So what's important here is that you can see that the unique words on some of these pages is actually quite low. The generally accepted number, and it's just a generally accepted number, your own site may need different amounts, is around 350 to 500 unique words on a page to make that page comprehensive. And what you want to do here is, the big thing is to focus on your pages that you want to rank, your service pages, your home page, and your category or product pages in your e-commerce website. And you can see I've got a few pages here with low numbers, 73 words, some with more, obviously 346 words. And let's just say in this example, let's look at a page that says I've got a low amount of web copy. If you click on this URL, it'll pull up the page and it'll tell you what copy it's assessing. Now, I know from looking at that page that the tool has gone and grabbed a small amount of descriptive text around one of the products that I sell, and it's good to know that amount of text is around 76 words. So I'll probably go and add more web copy on that page. The key thing to get away from this, to get out of this tool, is just to make sure that you understand that more copy is better than less copy, more unique copy is better than less unique copy, and just to make sure that you know which pages have insufficient copy and that you should go and focus on improving, and which pages obviously are doing very well. Look at this one here. In this case here, I've got a blog post case study with 2,800 unique words, and that is 2,300, and that's a pretty good comprehensive blog post there, and that'll attract a lot of good search engine traffic. So that's it. Use this tool, run it through your site, and have a look at those pages which have insufficient web copy, and get writing.